Hello guys! I already had this color for a couple of days before I did the nail design, so I have 2 layers of the color and 1 layer of the gel top coat. You can skip the top coat except on the nail where we're doing the flower, because after curing I'm buffing the nail because acrylic paint sticks better on a matte surface. So I am grabbing the paint and I fill my brush with the 2 colors and I'm blending it on a piece of paper. I'm doing this a couple of times to make sure the bristles are full of paint. I do very small petals, so instead of moving the brush up and down, which is like the most correct way to create this type of flowers, I just dab the brush. It is so easy. I do not care a lot of the first layer of paint because everything is going to be so opaque with the second layer. So yeah. After the acrylic paint dries completely, I'm applying the second layer of paint, and this time I load my brush with paint more often. So I make sure like the petals are opaque. I add yellow dots for a little bit of highlighting, and after like the paint dries completely, I'm adding a gel top coat, and this time I add a gel, like a sticky gel top coat, because I decided to go with some foil, and after I cure the sticky gel top coat on the sticky part of the top coat, oh my god, oh my god, my explanations are so bad. I really hope that I'm making myself like understood. Like my English is getting so bad because I did not practice for such a long time. But anyway, let me just go back and say it again. Yeah, where was I? I decided to add some foil. So I apply a sticky gel top coat, and after curing with a brush that it's dipped a little bit in the gel top coat as well, I spread the foil. So simple. I cure and I add the final layer of gel top coat, and this time, as you can see, it's a non-stick gel top coat, just to make sure I don't have to clean after that, but you can use any kind of gel top coat. And that's it. I really hope you guys like this nail design. I personally love the color, like the base color. It's part of the Think Pink collection. Like, it's not a collection, but Madame Glam, it's created a category, Think Pink, on their website, where all of the shades of pink during the October, they're discounted, and also they will donate $1 per bottle sold to a breast cancer research program. So yeah, if you don't have too many pink shades in your collection, it's time to get them. So I'm going to put all the links in the description section if you want to check out the Madame Glam website. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.